Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. We're just down here outside of Te Awamutu at a finished shed we got behind us. It's actually really cool. It's something different that we've actually experimented with on this shed.
We're actually here today to give the keys over to the client. But before we do that, we do a final walk around and just make sure that we're happy with everything. The client's already done that and told us that he's happy with everything. So we want to make sure it's up to our standards. One of the things I do like is the way we've done the windows. We've got some really long skinny ones in there just to give some extra light. But if you have a look at the head height, it's all exactly the same across the whole shed. So it's not up and down or left or right. It's all just, you know, at nice eye level, which is really cool. If we go around to the side where the sectional doors are, we've done insulated sectional doors, which are pretty cool, and they're also a flat panel, which is something we don't normally do, but it looks pretty amazing. And we've got two doors on this shed. This one's a double door. On the other side, he's got a slightly taller door, which is a single door. I believe he's going to put a spray booth in the back there, so that's going to be pretty cool when that's all done.
We really like the sectional doors here at Waikato Shed, so if it's something that you're after, obviously just talk to the sales reps before we go through this design process, just so we can make sure we're hooking you up with the best door possible that suits your shed. So yeah, as you can see, lovely ebony door there. Same with the windows and joinery, that's all ebony as well. So just shout out to City Glass and shout out to B&D Doors for hooking us up with this product. It's amazing and the clients are always happy with what they get.
Cool. One of the cool and unique things about this shed that we like over and everything else, and you've seen it in previous videos, is it's got an insulated panel roof. 2 bits of steel with poly in the middle, and this roof I believe is 100mm thick.
Yeah, 100mm thick. So thermal panels up there on the top, so yeah, like Bronick said, it's got colour steel on the top and then just the panel underneath, which obviously it works well with our system. Yeah,
today is a beautifully warm day here in the wonderful Waikato, and we've already been inside and it's nice and cool inside. So that insulation really helps with that, which is really cool.
I know you guys want to see inside, so should we get in and have a look?
Why not?
Alrighty. Alright guys, we're inside the shed. Lovely in here. It's quite feels quite like it's really protecting the sound that we even are in here. So
yeah, the sound is a lot more muffled than what we normally get in our sheds.
We've had a lot of rain in the last couple of days, so I'm a sucker for a bit of raindrop on the roof. I'm assuming it would sound amazing up there.
One would assume.
Yeah,
we might have to come back and have a look.
What we do here at Waikato Sheds is we design every shed specific to the site. As you can see, there is quite a few girt lines through this wall. Why is that, Bronick?
It's because we're in what's called a high wind zone. If you have a look, that we've kept our girts close together to give that extra strength. We've also got cross bracing in the walls. And if you have a look at our portals that go up and across, they're quite large. And we've also got our amazing knee braces up there in the top to keep it all strong. As we say, strength by design. Mm-hmm.
What's going over here, Bronick? Is there like a little bathroom?
It's going to be a bathroom. Again, this is going to be a workshop. One of the things we're allowed to do in a shed is put a bathroom so people can come in, do what they need to do inside a shed, clean up before they go into the house. Yeah. One of the things that he's going to do here is that he lives next door. Mm-hmm. He's actually going to build a house on the site. Mm-hmm. Once he's finished this is so he can have somewhere to work and put all his tools while he builds his house, I understand, for now, and then it's going to be a workshop for something else later on.
That's pretty awesome, eh? So like if you're a farmer, a mechanic, and you have projects you want to do, come talk to us. We'll make sure you're sorted out with something to clean up before you go back inside and make all your carpet dirty or your walls dirty by touching everything, but yeah. Well,
it's about keeping the wife happy, isn't it?
It is, it is.
Yeah. The cool thing I love about our sheds is that they are totally and utterly clear span. And if you have a look in here, we've got all these walls that are about ready to go up, but it's blank canvas. You know, these walls don't need to be structural. They can go anywhere you like in here, against any wall or whatever else. So long as it's all done, you know, so they won't fall down and hurt anybody, there's no issues. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like we say, you can put anything in a Waikato shed, so your dreams can become a reality.
Yes.
But thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, comment below, flick us a message or give us a call. Even pop down to the office. It's just in Eureka, you know where we are, big fancy one on the corner there. But yeah, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode.